In a major development in Sushant Singh Rajput case, the CBI is all set to question Siddharth Pithani under Section 164 of the CRPC, making his comments admissible in court. In a new development in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, the CBI seems to be picking up pace as they examine the circumstances surrounding Sushant's demise. They may also re-summon witnesses like Siddharth Pithani, who was one of the first people to find Sushant after his demise and was also staying with Sushant in the days leading up to his demise. This is significant since Siddharth Pithani's statements have often contradicted each other. These are the main contentious points that we'll hope to investigate. First, the first major contradiction came about when it was observed that though Siddharth had initially mentioned that he was equally fond of Sushant and Riya, he proceeded to share a complaint against Sushant's family with Riya, who has been mentioned as the main accused by Sushant's family. Second, his equation with Sushant has been another point of flip-flop for Siddharth. While on one occasion he claimed he only had a formal relationship with the late actor, at another interview he shared that the actor called him personally and asked him to come to Mumbai and work with him while staying in Sushant's apartment. Third, the third point of contention has been how much of Sushant's personal life was Siddharth privy to. सिद्धार्थ ने अपने कुछ इंटरव्यूज में कहा है that the late actor and he had a limited friendship and that he didn't know what was in his diaries in great detail and didn't know why he and Riya had fought about before she left on June 8th. On the other hand, Siddharth claims that after news broke of Disha Salian's demise, Sushant बहुत upset हो गए थे और उन्होंने सिद्धार्थ को अपने कमरे में रहने को कहा, saying that he was scared and upset. Fourth, his relationship with Sushant's family has also seen oscillations. While on some occasions he has claimed that they shared a good equation and that he had become friendly with the late actor's sisters, लेकिन अपने ही statement को contradict करते हुए सिद्धार्थ ने ये भी कहा है कि सुशांत के परिवार ने उन पे झूठा बयान देने का दबाव डाला था. Fifth, Sushant's finances are an important point of difference in statements. Siddharth had said on one occasion that Sushant's sister had asked him to keep a tab on Sushant's expenses, but also said in a contradiction that the family asked him to say that 15 crores as mentioned in the FIR filed by Sushant's father were transferred from the late actor's account. Siddharth is a very significant witness since he was in close proximity to the late actor and was the first person to see his mortal remains after his demise, as he has claimed. After many statements that have gone back and forth now, Siddharth Pithani will have to speak the truth and nothing but the truth in front of the magistrate.